sometimes there's a really big cut and it's just slowly oozing out blood. There's no need to waste a tourniquet on that. We have pressure bandages and we have elastic wraps. So to show you the elastic wrap, let's say I put a little bit of gauze, you had some gauze in your kit, I put a little gauze, you were bleeding here. I'm going to, yep, so you're bleeding right here. I see it just slowly coming out. I take an elastic wrap. This doesn't have necessarily a pad on it because you already put some gauze. But what it does have, you'll see, is the ability to keep it nice and tight, and you're not wasting a tourniquet on it. You can also use these if they have a broken bone and you want to put a, let's say, a splint.
Keep it stable.
Keep it stable. So these elastic wraps do a lot in your kits on the battlefield. If you have a broken ankle or a wrist, you can use that. Now I want to show you the ending here is this bar.
Yeah.
This bar is to use to secure in place. But I also want to show you how you can use this in another configuration. Let's just say that you have a major bleed, but you don't have any more tourniquets. You take this bar,
It becomes a tourniquet.
and you put it behind the last loop like that, and you start turning it. Does it feel like it's getting tighter?
Yes.
So obviously we would have gone really tight in the beginning. So this isn't an approved tourniquet, but it sure is better than nothing.
How does it hold on once you're done with it?
Exactly like that. Again, you put that little clip in here. It has teeth on it.
Okay.
I'll show you on this one too. And
Okay.
you can just hook that on.
And if you don't turn it into a tourniquet, how do you hook it at the end? Same way?
Same technique, but no need to twist it.
I see. You see it? Just hook each
So
side.
just to complete it as a normal pressure wrap, you just do, even one teeth is enough because this isn't going anywhere. There's got teeth in here.
Okay.
If you're worried and you have a long ways to go, then you can do two.
Excellent.
And why do I use this, not a pressure?
So this is for either you already wound packed, so you put the gauze in.
Okay.
If you don't need to pack the wound, it's just a big cut,
Yeah.
you can use the pressure dressing. The way we use this is we open it up as well. This one here has a pad. And again, you would put other side to wound. So I put the pad down like this. Let's just show some blood there. And again, this is not squirting out because we would have done a tourniquet.
Yeah.
I now can pull this. You see these little Velcro tabs, so it doesn't allow it to unravel. And then we want to capture a large area. So we go a little bit above, a little bit below, and then we secure this in place at the end with the Velcro. And again, the difference between these two is that this is bulkier, this is not. This has a pad, it's a pressure dressing, it has a pad, and this is an elastic wrap, it doesn't have a pad, but you can use it if you already packed the wound.